I'm going to give you my 4 steps on how I get out of a rut and get back on track to progress in anything that I do. I hope everyone's having a good day. Let me hop into it right now. Here's my 4 steps that I use in order to get back on track when I fall off of things. I have an acronym. It's called R.E.A.D. R-E-A-D. R, recognize. I recognize that there's a problem. So in this particular instance, my problem is I'm not growing on YouTube. So I recognize that there's a problem. E, evaluate. So why am I not growing? I'm not growing because I'm not recording what people want. I'm not recording what people are searching for. I'm not recording. A, action. What action am I going to take? I'm going to press record and I'm going to record what people want. They want to know how to get themselves out of a rut, how to progress. D, do the action. I press record and now I'm talking to you. R-E-A-D. Recognize, evaluate, action, do it. Try to keep it simple. That was it. But this is how I use it in this week that just passed. I was looking at myself, maybe I posted a video and I felt that my midsection was a little bit big. I recognized midsection was a little bit big. I evaluated. Why was my midsection big, or why is it bigger than I would like it to be? Because when I do my cheat meals, I've been going overboard. I've been eating a whole pizza and maybe a half gallon of ice cream or cake from the supermarket. So now that I've evaluated it, I'm going to action it. Be more strategic in how I eat. If I'm going to have a cheat meal, just a little bit of a cheat meal, nothing too far off. This week, I decided to skip the cheat meal and eat healthy. That's the D. Do it. Putting that plan into action. I've already dropped 7 pounds since I recognized it about 4 or 5 days ago. So I'm going to keep it going. I'm going to go back to walking like I did in the mornings, or if not in the mornings, at least after the workout for 20 minutes and during small spurts during the day indoors somewhere, just to keep progressing forward. So that's it. R-E-A-D. Make sure to remember that. I'll put it in the description. Also, I'm coming out with an ebook that's going to help people to get fit over the age of 40. Let me know if you're interested in that. I'm actually going to do a video on one of the modules in there so you can see the information and see if it's working for you. Let me know. It's your boy Ed, Everyday Muscle. I'm out.